Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. Today I show you how you can buy the FEG token on the Pancake Swap exchange, so you can save the network fee from Ethereum because they are at the moment very high. So let's start. First you go on the website from coinmarketcap.com and search for the token FEG, then click on it. Then scroll down till you see contracts, then click on this and copy the contract address from the Binance Smart Chain. Then go on your Trust Wallet. You must have BNB coins, so then you go on your BNB wallet and click on the right dots and click Swap to Smart Chain. So then you put the amount, how many BNB coins you want to swap to Smart Chain, and you hit swap. Don't forget there is a little bit network fee for the swap. When you've done that and your BNB coins are swapped to Smart Chain, you go to Pancake Swap, then you put the contract address from the FEG token in, now you put the amount, how many Smart Chain coins you want to swap to FEG tokens, and you hit swap. If you got any error message, then you have to change a little bit the slippage, like you see it in this video. So you must increase the slippage as long as you don't get this error message. So then that's it. You click on swap and now you got your FEG token on the Pancake exchange. If you want to save a little bit commissions on Binance, where you can buy the BNB token which you need to swap to Binance chain exchange, you can click the first link in the description and you save 10% on every transaction. Let me know in the comments if you are invested in the FEG token, and let us put this gorilla on the moon. Don't forget to subscribe and let me a thumbs up there if you like this video. Thank you, and we see us in the next video.